Hey guys, so I'm back in my Maverick again, and I want to try a new product today. I was recently sent this TripleAliners center console organizer, and if you have a Maverick and you know the center console's huge, that there's a huge space in here. So the idea is to be better organized with that space by putting in some center organizers, and I got this one to try today, and one thing that I like about this one, and they're similar to the other ones that you see, is that it has this nice leathery look Maverick logo thing. Look at the bottom side and the way it goes in. It's just like the other ones. It's two-tiered. There's a number of products just like this on the market, but this one has that nice Maverick logo, and I'm kind of a bit of a fan of just having logoed stuff around. But you just put it in the middle, and you can see it looks really nice. I think that little leathery thing looks nice. You have two tiers, and of course you have another tier on the bottom. This definitely doesn't reach the bottom. It's not that deep, so you really have three tiers of storage. A change box and like a credit card type holder. So this actually fits really nicely. You look at the orange trims that I have in my Maverick, and I know some Mavericks have different colors, but I think this actually fits really nice. I think the logos look pretty good. So let's take a look. All right, here's a elevated view of everything together. I think it looks pretty good. So another thing that I was sent is this right here. Let me show you what that is. I'll show you what's in here, but this is actually kind of cool too, because it is the matching cup holder liners. So we're going to install that down here so you can see the colors matches that leathery look in the other one. And there's two sizes it comes with. Again, it's the same company, this TripleAliners. And what you can do, just put it in there, and what you have is matching liners for these two things. So that's pretty cool. And of course with the other two, I'm going to stick it in the back. All right, that's the way the two in the back look. And I could put some, I'll probably put some double-sided tape later just to hold it in. Of course, when it goes up, it's gonna, well, by luck it held, but anyways, double-sided tape will make it hold better. All right, so if you're interested in these products, I'll leave a link in the description. And of course, I had my previous one with this lariat type color, so I think if you have a lariat, this is going to match better. But maybe if you have the XLT like I do, this color might be the color for you. But anyways, I can only use one. So if you're in Orange County and you're interested in either of these two, I'll give you guys one. I can only use one. I like them both. Whether you want this guy or this guy, let me know. If you're in Orange County, again, I don't want to ship it. So if you're near the Irvine area and you're willing to stop by, if not, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys.